If your child has just entered class 11 and suddenly says, "Physics is too difficult," don't panic. The problem isn't your child, it's the way physics is usually taught. Class 11 physics is one of the biggest transitions students face. Unlike class 10, simply memorizing formulas doesn't work anymore. Every chapter builds on concepts, visualization, and logical thinking. Even the best coaching classes follow a fixed pace. But every child learns differently. Some need concepts explained again. Others need more practice or visual demonstrations. Without that personalized support, learning gaps keep growing. That's where Class 2 Learn makes the difference. Our AI tutor for Class 11 Physics identifies exactly where your child is struggling, explains difficult concepts through visualization, recommends targeted practice, and continuously tracks improvement. Instead of guessing what to study next, your child receives a personalized learning journey designed around their own strengths and weaknesses. If you've been wondering how to help your child with physics, the answer isn't simply adding more tuition. It's giving them the right technology alongside their coaching. Class 2 Learn helps students understand concepts faster while helping parents see real learning progress. It's one of the most affordable JEE coaching tools that complements classroom learning instead of replacing it. Give your child the modern advantage that today's competitive exams demand. Discover why so many families trust Class 2 Learn to build stronger concepts and greater confidence. Book a free demo today and experience the future of learning.